Hey guys, this is RB the Garden Nanny. I am outdoors on my front porch getting ready to change a fall planter that I purchased. Well, I purchased the plant from, it was like sunflowers. I purchased 2 for $5 at Home Depot and they did not last at all. So I have another option that I'm going to put in the pot. So let me show you what I'm talking about. The sunflowers that I put in, they were so beautiful at the store. They were already opened, and I usually don't purchase stuff that's already opened because they don't last long. These are annuals, so they won't be coming back, so I will be taking these out. I think one is still alive, but it was really pretty at Home Depot, but they are done. So I'm going to take this out and put in these beautiful marigolds. I love marigolds, and these shout fall. Look how pretty they are. I purchased these from my wholesaler. They had a bunch of them and they were a really good price. I really should have got more than one, but as you can see here, I don't have that much space on my porch for a lot of plants. So I think this one will do just fine. So I'm going to do the swap. By the way, I like putting these pine cones in there because it keeps the squirrels and other pests out of the containers so that they won't rearrange whatever I'm putting in there. So these are free, fall off the tree, and they do the job. Fall container. I added some hydrangeas to the back here and also my ornamental grass. I love the plums that it produces at this time of year. It's just great to add that for height. And I think it looks pretty nice. And I love the little pumpkins. And here are some coleus, and they were clearance, $1.50, something that I can take out and put it in the ground later on when the season is over. And I bought 2 of them. I like putting the hydrangeas in there. Just nice to use what you have in your garden to add some filler. So yeah, that is my fall planter. I'm getting ready to deadhead some perennials, take them down, and put in some pansies. The gnats are out this morning. So come with me and I will show you where I'm going to put them. Like I said, I'm getting ready to deadhead the perennials. They are done. A lot of them are, not all of them. I have a lot of this coneflower in the back and all over the place. So right up front, I'm not feeling bad about cutting them back because I still have some for other pollinators that like the coneflowers. But I am just trying to make things just cut back. You know, it don't have to be perfect, but I just want to get those things out so that what I'm getting ready to put in will shine more so than it. And what I am putting in are yellow and purple pansies. So I will be adding them right along the front edge of this bed. And it will take some time for them to really shine because the weather at this time when I was doing this video, it was starting to get a little cooler, but we still had some hot days ahead of us. So as you know, pansies like the cooler weather. So I am just preparing. I'd rather get them in now and have it all taken care of. I have to remove my petunias, but they were spent. They had a long, beautiful summer. They just grew and grew and grew, and so many compliments on the Super Tunia Vista bubblegum. It's just a keeper. I am definitely going to be keeping this in my garden for a very long time.